Your daily habits will determine your success. A very big part of my training is to actually look at habits that serve you and work and break the habits that no longer take you towards your goals. I'm going to give you a good example. I very often say to the stylist, stop, step back, look at the big picture, put down your tools and just look for 10 seconds. 10 seconds. Walk around the hairstyle, observe, is it working? Is it balanced? Just look at what is the hair saying? Is it working? I've had hairdressers then apply that, just that one thing that week, the 10-second rule. And do you know what so many of the hairdressers have said to me? Viv, it was hard to do the 10-second. They wrote it on their brush. They wrote it on their mirror. They reminded themselves, stop, take 10 seconds. But do you know what they found? It saved them 15 minutes because they were stopping and making sure that it was right and they were doing one hairstyle instead of sometimes two haircuts on one client. So that's an example of the importance of being mentored and also the technical skill and the creative process in creating your looks. So I have a nice little hairstyle we just did in one of our workshops. Here she is. And she's a lovely little graduation with just a lovely shape. So it's not enough to just do a graduated haircut. It must be a gorgeous one with a beautiful blow dry and a lovely, lovely finish. So this is an example of something that I just coached and a lovely classic hairstyle. So the next step is book a call, right? Check the information below and you can book a call with us and we can go over your career goals. And this is sort of the process that I like to use. What are your goals? Why do you have those goals? How do you think you're going to achieve them? And then the most important one is the what if. What if you go for it? What if you show up and you go for it 100%? But what if you do nothing? Very often people worry about money, but actually time is a more important thing to worry about because the time you waste doing something that doesn't serve you is time that's very expensive and you can't get it back. But when you invest your time and you make a financial investment in yourself, you are really serious about your professional growth. And when you invest in yourself, you will get there quicker when you're guided by somebody who's been there, done it, understands. So yes, you could go now and just try and work this out by yourself, but I promise you it'll be a lot slower, more frustrating, and you may not arrive there. Or you can have the support and the guidance that I am offering with the Hair Designer program, and we will get you there faster. And I promise you, you'll have so much fun. So book a call and then we can connect with you and find out what your needs are. Now, if you're a little bit on the shy side, you're thinking, oh, I don't know, Viv, then I give you another option, open house. Open house is the opportunity for you and your friends to come to a tour of the site. And then I take you into one of our virtual live workshops as it's happening in real time. So you'll be able to watch other stylists working. Whichever path you choose, make a decision right now. Check out the information below and you can make your appointments. And P.S., if you make an appointment, show up because Mama gets really upset when I have a no-show. You know what it's like in the salon when you have a no-show. So make that commitment, be determined, it's for you, show up, and I look forward to seeing you online. Take care and thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.